If you thought you needed 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers on YouTube to get monetized, you couldn't be further from the truth, because YouTube just released some brand new settings that allow you to monetize your channel even if you have less than 100 subscribers. And by the end of this video, you're gonna know the 4-step process that you need to implement today in order to monetize your small channel even if you don't have a lot of subscribers. Step number 1 is you need to make sure that you create an unlisted video that's pitching whatever you're trying to sell. This could be an affiliate offer, it could be a product, it could be a service, it doesn't matter, but what you need to make sure of is that the video is anywhere from 90 to 120 seconds. If you do it shorter than that, people aren't going to watch it. If you do it longer than that, people aren't going to watch it. And essentially, that is going to be the ideal length for you to be able to maximize your reach. Check out the ones that I use. So this video right here is exactly what I'm talking about. I have it showing on my homepage. You can see it's gotten over 129,000 views, and I want you to think about how much money you would make if you literally had just a pitch video get over 129,000 views. And as we can see, we also have the links right here, because you can't put links in YouTube Shorts, but you'll be able to leverage this type of video right here in order to still monetize your YouTube Shorts. Step number 2 is you need to be repurposing all of your long form content and all of your lives into searchable YouTube Shorts that can end up going viral. Now, this used to be incredibly hard to do. One, you would have to sit there and watch all of your long form content and try to figure out what could go viral. Or you'd have to hire an editor or have a team that would be able to do that. And since you're a small YouTuber, you're probably not able to do that. But lucky for you, there's a brand new AI tool that makes this incredibly easy to do. In fact, it will literally tell you what parts of your content could go viral. Check this out. Now, the tool that I'm talking about is called Nexus Clips, because this allows you to create clips from your videos pretty much instantly. If we scroll down, you can see this makes AI clips for talking type of content, gaming content, podcasts, events, tutorials, sports. Doesn't matter what kind of content you upload, even if you don't see your niche or content type here, Nexus Clips can help you do this, because it's literally as easy as signing up for Nexus Clips, coming over here to Video to Clips, clicking on Create Clips for the video that you want to do this for. You're then going to actually upload the video file right here, and you'll see this goes through and processes this. And then you're going to be able to choose what parts of your video you want to clip if there are specific things, or you can leverage their AI feature in order to find clips that their AI thinks will go viral from your video. For example, this is what that actually looks like. You could see that you could choose certain things, or if you have specific moments that you want to call out, you can actually type that in and it will do this. For example, feature number 4 I'm going to put, because this was 10 hidden features. Now we're just going to click on generate new clips, and this goes through and actually creates those clips for you. And if you wanted to, you could even set up text message notifications, so when it's done, it would send you a text about it. Then once those clips are actually done, you're able to edit them like this. You could see that you could add a hook in here in a bunch of different styles and formats. You could add in different stickers if you wanted to. You could change how the subtitles look, and you can even edit them here. And then also you could change the framing so that you're showing specific things here. And this is what the biggest creators on YouTube are doing in order to get more views. And it's what small channels are doing in order to monetize their content by taking their long form content, their lives, clipping them up, and implementing the next 2 steps of this strategy. But before I show you that, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below right now and get started with Nexus Clips today. If you want to start going viral with your YouTube Shorts, you need to be using this tool. Now, step number 3 is where you're going to tie step number 1 and step number 2 together. What I'm talking about is adding a related video to all of your shorts that then have that pitch on the other end of it. And I do have a few different pro tips I would strongly suggest that you use. Okay, so here's what you're going to do next. You're going to come over to the YouTube Shorts that you have now uploaded, and you are going to find this related video right here in the bottom right-hand corner, and you are going to put whatever pitch lines up with it. For example, this video right here was about vidIQ, so I put a vidIQ affiliate link right here. If we come over here and watch this video, we could see I also put it here. But if we come over to some of my most viral videos that have made me a ton of money, like this one, 1.5 million views, 1 million views, 1 million views, we could see that if we come over here, I have the related video as that pitch video that I showed you earlier. And essentially what happens now is when somebody watches this YouTube short, like if they click right here, then you'll be able to see that this shows this related video right now. Now, a few different pro tips that I would strongly recommend that you do. If we come back over here, we could see that if I come over here and type in vidIQ, we could see that if I come over here and I look at some of these videos, like the vidIQ ones, you'll notice that I put a star in the title. The reason that I put a star in the title is because it then captures people's attention more. And I've also done this with other different emojis. For example, if we come over here to how to find the best time to upload on Instagram Reels, we could see that I related this to Metricool, another affiliate, and we could see that I put the eyeballs right here. So every single short that I upload is getting monetized several different ways. It's getting monetized from the ad revenue that I make from it, which really isn't that much with YouTube Shorts, but I'm making way more money from the affiliate offers and from selling my own products and services. And guess what? Those things don't require any subscribers. They don't require a lot of views. They don't even require for you to be monetized on YouTube. And if you begin implementing this strategy, you can literally start to monetize your channel instantly. It doesn't matter what niche you're in. You simply just need to be creating content that people will be searching for. And then you solve their problem with your product, your service, or an affiliate deal. Now, step number 4 is you need to make sure that you're repeating this for as many search terms as humanly possible. In fact, there are several different ways that you could do this. Check this out. Now, if you wanted to make this as easy as possible for you, what I would recommend that you do is come over to ChatGPT and say, I want to rank for search in my niche on YouTube. Please give me a list of 30 search terms my ideal audience would search for. My niche is, and then we could put in something like how to grow on YouTube. And what you're going to notice is that this is then going to spit out a bunch of different search terms. And literally all you should be doing is then trying to get YouTube Shorts that are going to rank for each of these search terms. Because if we come over here and actually grab this term and we come over to YouTube and do a search, you are going to see that a bunch of YouTube Shorts show up. In fact, if we scroll down a little bit, it's all YouTube Shorts. And guess what? For this term, it's literally just me and Mr. Beast. I've gotten 650,000 views when we add these two together, and that is incredibly valuable. And again, you can do this same exact thing in your niche. Basically, you just go through this list, creating content for it, and then you see which one of these you actually rank for by doing a search like this. And whichever ones you didn't rank for, make another video for it. And then once you actually rank for all 30 of these things, you can then feed that information to ChatGPT and say, hey, I rank for these 30 search terms. Can you give me another list of search terms that I should be ranking for? In addition to that, if you come into your YouTube studio, you come into analytics, and you come into trends right here, this is then going to show you what people are looking for. And you can click on show all right here and see bunch of different search terms. In addition to that, if you scroll down a little bit more, this will then show you new videos to inspire you and breakout videos. And guess what? This is going to reveal to you even more search terms that you should be making content for, because this is the most underutilized thing right now on YouTube, especially since YouTube Shorts are now showing up on Google. Check this out. If we go through and we do a search for something like how to grow on YouTube in 2025, what you're going to notice is short videos now show up here. And look at what's showing up, a bunch of different YouTube Shorts. So you can get your YouTube Shorts to not only rank on YouTube, but also rank on Google now, and this creates a trifecta of you being able to monetize your channel without having a lot of subscribers. I mean, look at this creator right here. They're ranking for this, and if we come over here and actually look at this, I doubt that they actually have a lot of subscribers. We could come over here and we see they have 56 subscribers. So they're ranking for search on Google without literally any subscribers. And you could do the same exact thing right now with this unique opportunity, but I do want to warn you, this is not going to last forever. By the way, one other pro tip that I do have for you. If you come into your settings on YouTube, you're literally just going to come into YouTube Studio. You're going to come into settings right here. If you click on channel, you are going to see these keywords. If you put keywords in here that match the keywords that you are trying to rank for, guess what? It increases the odds you're going to be able to do that. In addition to that, if you come over here, click on your channel, and then click on customize channel right here, you're going to be able to scroll down and see your YouTube description. Again, you need to make sure that you have those keywords you're trying to rank for in both of those things. And one other thing I may have forgotten to mention earlier, if we come into the content, you'll be able to notice on the related videos here. For example, if we click on this one and then we pause this video and click on the related video right here, you are going to notice that I have the call to action both in the first line of the description and in the pinned comment. Basically what this does is allows it to take up as much real estate as humanly possible, and then it increases the odds people actually end up clicking on it. So please, when you're making that unlisted video for step number 1, make sure that you have the link both in the description and here, and always double check and make sure that it's clickable. And the reason that this works is because you can't put clickable links on YouTube Shorts anymore, so you just use that unlisted video, and you're basically able to monetize the channel without having any subscribers. Now, if you're still struggling to get monetized on YouTube and you want personalized help, I want to help you. In fact, I want to work with you one-on-one to guarantee I can help you grow faster on YouTube so you can finally get the views you want, get the subscribers that you want, and maybe even get monetized so you can make a full-time living from YouTube. If that sounds interesting, well, please check out this video right here that walks you through the 3 different ways that we can work together one-on-one to guarantee you grow faster on YouTube and finally get monetized. It doesn't matter if you're uploading YouTube Shorts or long-form content, I guarantee I can help. Check it out here.